may cocoa tree, cacao tree, which is considered God's food. Ito ay pagkain ng mga hari. Look at this. So many fruits. Very beautiful fruits. Okay, this one is only 2 years old, 2.5 years old. Very many fruits. We look at this. Look at this. It bears many fruits. This is cacao tree. The fruits of this tree is being processed into chocolate.